Hey guys, here we are back again with the HJ. Time to get some more work done on it. The seat's taken a little bit longer than we expected because we had to get the fabric out of the States. Things with shipping at the moment, with all the virus stuff going on, has been very difficult. So we had to wait some time for that, but they're nearly ready to go back in and I need to get some stuff done here first. And one of the issues that I did have, actually, before we press on, I just want to mention one thing. This video today is actually sponsored by Schumacher. You might have seen in the last video I struggled with some cheap lights, and they have supplied us with some of their lighting range. So they do have some lights to use in that type of application, and we'll be using today in this video some good, very bright work lights. Woo. Inspection lights. This is an excellent one, so really keen to get these out of the package and get them into use. So watch for these throughout the video, and thank you Schumacher. Get on those guys and give them a follow, and watch our website as well to find where you can get these products, overtakinglane.com.au. Alright guys, today we've got Roadkill Stinger Australia. We've got Roadkill product, Roadkill Expert, which is a noise deadening or vibration dampening material that we'll be installing. Predominantly more about heat for us. I want to see how this product stacks up at heat dispersion as well. Since the engine conversion, the pipes are much larger, and we've got the catalytic converters as well, so there's a fair bit of heat coming from those, and you do feel it through the floor and through the carpet. So hopefully this will eliminate some of that, as well as give us a bit more of a barrier underneath the carpet, and then we may even look at some of the underbody heat reflectors as well. But for now, we're going to give this a try. While the seats are out, I thought it's time to do it. So we've got a couple of packs of this. This one, I've already emptied this box out, and I've just laid it out in the sun. Just I think that might make it just a little bit easier to operate with. But it's a thick material, and it's binds to the floor of the car. You'll see what we do with it as we go. But right now, we've got to get the rest of the interior out. The carpet's got to come out. Looks like we've got to pull the roll cage out. The console, we've got a bit of work to do. So let's get stuck into it.
Dave then discovered some rust on the floor, so he went to work cleaning it up and spraying down a rust protector.
Of course, with all of this, we do a bit of wax and grease removal, we clean it up, we're going to put a bit of a rust converter on a couple of those patches. But just, you know, whenever you're doing this sort of stuff, make sure safety first, make sure you're wearing a mask.
warmed up the Roadkill a little bit after getting it out, getting it ready to go in now, and just shaping it up to sort of where you might put it.
Just getting a bit of an idea, yeah.
How it's going to fit.
See whether I go that way or put one across that way.
So far, what's your thoughts?
Probably that way.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Looks good?
I think so. The other option is... I'm going to strip this back now. The material on here is actually sticky, so it doesn't have glue on it or anything. It's actually, it is that material that is sticky, so that will over time just mould into the metal or become part of it, I guess. In a sense. Actually, that makes no sense, but
it's obviously quite sticky because you're struggling a little bit there.
yeah, I thought it'd be easy to get the paper off. I thought it was going to be a bit easier to get the paper off, so I was going to just try and get a bit of the paper off and then get it up in there and then pull it out from underneath it. But I think that's going to be more difficult. So we're just going to do it and try not to stick it to everything on the way in.
Like that.
We've got the Schumacher 360 Slim inspection lamp. So just got this one out of the packet. It's already got some charge in it, which is great. So ready to go. And we've got the light on the end. Obviously getting in there, pointing it around wherever we need to go to. We have the work lamp as well. A magnetic base, which obviously will stick wherever we need it to go, which is pivotable and full 360. But on top of that, maybe you have somewhere you can't stick it with the magnet, and we've got the hook. So that's awesome as well. So there you go. The Schumacher 360 Slim inspection lamp. Might need one of these. So the difference in this is not just about the heat, it's about the noise. So this side's pretty tinny. Starts starting to...
We've spoken to the guys at Superformance before, and they regularly use this in their cars, and they said the difference, especially in one that they built where they had the exhaust coming out the stacks of this truck that they built right behind, and the heat and the noise was just a lot in the cabin. Once they put this in, it was a noticeable difference.
I'm hoping we'll notice the same, because it'll get pretty hot just here around the gearbox and where the pipes run straight under there.
After we got that first sheet down, we decided that we'd just get stuck in, start putting the rest of the sheets down, and we did the entire interior. We'll show you what that looks like right now.
So, bit of sound difference here. Bit tinny back here where we haven't done. Up here where we have, big difference. You just see that it makes the metal more dense, I guess, gives it a bit more density. How bright's this Schumacher light?
It's impressive.
Dimmer. Ooh, love it.
So you're happy with the product?
Yeah, we've done well. It's gone down fairly easy. It didn't take us too long once we got going with it. Yeah, just cut and match and fit it in, and then it is a bit dark, so we did run out a bit of daylight, but luckily we got the light there from Schumacher, so we could keep going and get it finished. So I just finished
about 3.5 hours once we got started.
Yeah, correct. So I just finished cutting out the holes for the seats and the roll cage where that all goes back in. I'm now thinking that I won't put the carpet straight back in. I'm probably just going to buy some new carpet. So it's only a couple of $100 for moulded carpet from eBay. So I might put new carpet in while we're at it, I think, and we'll put a bit of felt down, some new carpet, and yeah, should be perfect. Pretty happy with it.
Awesome. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to get notified when we upload a video, and right in the middle here I think we've left a video that you guys might like, so you should click on that, watch that one as well, and we'll see you in the next one.